eggplant split mung beans rice or aubergine split mung beans rice. One of the tastiest of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most unique of the white rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the eggplant recipes and one of the most delicious of the aubergine recipes and one of the most different of the beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mung beans recipes and one of the most unique of the lunch recipes. Today we are going to make eggplant split mung beans rice. The ingredients are around 150 grams of eggplant cleaned and cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, around 15 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 2 green chilies, half a spoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, and around 100 to 150 grams of split mung beans soaked in water for half an hour. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Now put in the fenugreek seeds and the fennel seeds. And let them cook. Saute that in. Now put in the ginger, soft ginger, thoroughly the rest of the mixture. Put in the garlic, salt, thoroughly. shallots, put it in the freezer. Now put in the tomato pieces. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Mix in the salt. Put in the green chili. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Mix. Put in 50 ml of water. Thoroughly mix. Put in the eggplant or brinjal pieces. Salt and mix. Salt and mix thoroughly. Put in the split mung beans. eggs. Mix thoroughly. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Pour in 200 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. Heat the pan. Now, after cooking for the required time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 10 to 12 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the eggplant split mung beans rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final eggplant split mung beans rice or aubergine split mung beans rice. One of the tastiest of the earlier rice recipes and one of the most unique of the fried rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the eggplant recipes and one of the most unique of the aubergine recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beans recipes and one of the most unique of the mung beans recipes and one of the most different of the rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.